Hello everyone, welcome to you in Heptide IT Solution. Today I will tell you that what is variable in Python. पाइथन में वेरिएबल क्या होता है या इसे कैसे डिक्लेयर करते हैं, कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं. सो आई टेल यू दैट ए वेरिएबल आर यूज टू स्टोर डेटा वैल्यू, और इन अदर हैंड यू कैन आल्सो से दैट ए वेरिएबल इज ए रिजर्व्ड मेमोरी लोकेशन यूज टू स्टोर डेटा वैल्यू. So I will give you some example to describe the variables. Take a new file and save variable. So here is first point that how to declare a variable or how to create a variable. How to declare or how to create variable. Suppose that to create a variable or to declare a variable, we need to provide some value to variables. मीन्स वेरिएबल को क्रिएट करने के लिए हमें वेरिएबल को कुछ वैल्यू देने की आवश्यकता होती है. डिक्लेयर करने के लिए कुछ वैल्यू देना पड़ता है. सपोज दैट ए इक्वल टू 100 एंड बी इक्वल टू कमल. हियर ए एंड बी आर two variables having some value. So print this value a and print b. Now run it. Here 100 and Kamal. It means value of a and b will be has been print there. Now we will take a next example. Next point is how to declare a string variable. How to declare string variable. How to declare string variable. So I want to say you that to declare a string variable we will use to single quotes or double quotes. किसी भी स्ट्रिंग वेरिएबल को डिक्लेयर करने के लिए हम सिंगल कोट्स और डबल कोट्स के बीच में उसको देते हैं. तो सपोज दैट ए इक्वल टू विद इन डबल कोट्स कमल एंड बी इक्वल टू विद इन सिंगल कोट्स हिमेश. Here are two variable and first one is declare within double quotes and second one is declare in single quotes. So here are both option to declare a string variable. Print a, print b and run it. Here Kamal and image. It means both option working there. And now third point is a variable do not need to a data type for declaration. A variable don't need data type for declaration. इट मीन्स वेरिएबल को डिक्लेयर करने के लिए डेटा टाइप्स की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है यहाँ पे. जैसा कि हम लोग सी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में इंट ए बी सी या इंट एक्स वाई जेड लेते हैं, बट हियर इज़ नो रिक्वायरमेंट to declare the data variable with a data types. So suppose that here a equal to 200 and b equal to Kamal. Here two variables a equal to 200. This is, you can say this is number value and you can say this is string value, but here is no data types. And also I tell you that here is After the declaration of variable, you can change the data types. Means, if you suppose that if we will take 200 within double quotes, then this will become a string variable. So you can change the types after the declaration of variable, and print this echo a and print b. Run it. Sorry, here 200 and a comma. So here is no requirement to declare a data types. Data types क्या है, रिक्वायर नहीं होता है किसी वेरिएबल को डिक्लेयर करने के लिए. एंड नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज हाउ टू assign value to multiple variable. How to assign value to multiple variable. How to assign value to multiple variable, or how to declare the value in multiple variable. So suppose that a comma b comma c equal to Mohan, Kamala and Sita. Here are three variables equal to Mohan, Kamal and Sita. Print this a, print b, print c. Check this: Mohan, Kamala and Sita. It means this is the process to declare the multiple variable. And second point here, how to combine text and variable value. How to combine text and variable value. मीन्स टेक्स्ट वैल्यू और वेरिएबल वैल्यू को कैसे ऐड करेंगे. सपोज दैट हियर ए इक्वल टू वेलकम equal to suppose that hector rise and print welcome to plus a. It means here we will use a plus character to add the value of variable with text in print function. Now we will check it. Here is output welcome to hepterize. It means our plus character is combine the value of this text and this variable value. And the next point is here, how to add two string value or two string variable value. How to add the value of two string variable. How to add value of two string variable. Suppose that we have a equal to welcome and b equal to heptarize. A equal to welcome and B equal to heptarize. So here suppose that C equal to A plus B, A plus B, and print C. It means say here plus character is used to combine the both variable A and B, and check it. Here output is welcome heptarize. It means both variable combined with the help of plus character. And next point is how to declare a global variable. Global variable declaration. Global variable declaration मीन्स ग्लोबल वेरिएबल आप कैसे डिक्लेयर करेंगे यहाँ पे. सपोज दैट ए इक्वल टू heptarize and take a function, define a function def my display function colon print welcome plus a and call the function my this function. So, here a is global variable, here my this is function, and in which function print welcome plus a, and call this function and run it. Okay, sorry, here's some problem, and run it. Here is output welcome heptarize. It means here is global variable, and this is used inside the function, and after this we call the function, we will get output. And the next point, change the value of global variable inside a function using global keyword. Change the value of function, change the value of global variable inside a function using global keyword. Using global keyword we can change the value of variables inside the function. So here we will take example. Suppose करिए a equal to here heptarize and a function def my dis function colon global x, and suppose that now a equal to global a and A equal to hepta, or here Mohan, and call the function my dis, and print print welcome plus A. He will write here, and check it. Okay, here is some problem with this function. Okay, and here is some problem. Global, and then here is welcome on. It means we can change the value of variable with the help of global keyword inside the function. Okay, that's all. Please like, share to this video, and until if you are not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it, and don't forget to hit the bell icon